to Asutosh. As Asutosh mentioned reverse flipping, I will explain briefly. Initially, many companies incorporated outside India for tax concession benefits and other purposes. From overseas jurisdiction, they used to hold 100% shares in Indian company. But now the trend is shifting towards India. Many companies like PhonePe, Flipkart, Dream11, they come to India, and the process is that they eliminate the overseas company and directly holding in Indian company. Now we can see that there is a simple structure, basic structure. There is the shareholder holding in directly 100% share in Indian company. But in flip personalization, in non-resident shareholder holding in overseas company, and Indian company is a subsidiary of overseas company. But in reverse flip, as my friend Asutosh mentioned the term reverse flip, where in non-resident shareholder directly hold in Indian company, eliminating the overseas holding company. Please. The story behind the reverse flip, I will tell you that in 20s there are so many companies who incorporated in overseas countries for overseas company for FDI, or bypass the FDI restrictions and globalize the opportunity. But now they are returning to India and connect to their core market and to capitalize the opportunity within the Indian ecosystem, Indian startup ecosystem and Indian companies.
Sorry to interrupt. As per your example, who am I? Am I a Singapore company or Indian company?
I'm advisory to Indian company. Indian company. Advisory to Indian company. They are incorporated outside India, but now they wanted to return to India. Now we are advising. For example, I will tell you for your definition. Example, Grow. We all know Grow is the inbound. Grow used the inbound merger. Inbound merger. There to return its domicile from US to India. This involves the merging its US parent company to Indian subsidiary, and the contribution of Grow. Grow inbound, as I said, Grow used inbound merger and merged its US parent company to its Indian subsidiary, and that Indian company will be the surviving entity. Unlike PhonePe, PhonePe used shares swap. There are more few companies who are in the process of reverse flipping and further IPO proposition. So following are the companies Flipkart, Zesto, Meesho and Finelabs, Urans. Now Ekta will continue.